Okay, this is the situation.
Cage.
He's sleeping way too long. You know what happens when you sleep way too long? You get airplaned. Bow. Bow. Airplane, son. Look, right here. Right. You see that? Now I have a note on this airplane. It's, this is what the whole point is. I'm going to show you real quick. It says, "Your sleepy turd bucket head." I know it's harsh, but that's how I roll. You know what I'm saying? That's how I roll. Okay, let me put this back together. Okay, I got the plane. Bam, right here. See that? See that thing? Marvelous. All right, we're about to go do this. Okay. I'm nervous. Go ahead, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. It's for you. Special delivery, airmail, son.
I love her, but she's not going to have a family.
It's a note, dude. Pick it up.
I paid for her drugs to keep her off the street.
She's dying, and thank God you have a solution.
And all the intervention.
Bam! You just got airplane, son! That showed him. We're out.